Vivo V60 5G. Welcome to the detailed specification breakdown of the Vivo V60 5G Mist Grey Edition with 8GB RAM and 256GB storage. In this presentation, we'll explore its design, display, performance, camera, connectivity, battery, and customer feedback. Design aesthetics and durability. The Vivo V60 5G showcases a sleek and premium mist grey finish with a subtle gradient. It's built using Schott Diamond Shield glass, ensuring excellent durability. The phone is IP68 and IP69 rated, providing top-tier protection against dust and water, and can be submerged for up to 1.5 meters for 120 minutes. The in-screen optical fingerprint sensor maintains its clean, modern look. Display technology. Enjoy a stunning visual experience on the 6.77-inch Slim Quad Curved AMOLED display. It delivers crisp FHD+ resolution and a 120 Hz refresh rate for smooth scrolling. With peak brightness reaching 5000 nits, the screen remains vivid even under direct sunlight, and it's SGS-certified for low blue light to protect your eyes. Processing power and performance. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 chipset built on a 4nm process, the Vivo V60 ensures seamless multitasking and strong performance. It includes 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 256GB of UFS 2.2 storage. While everyday usage and light gaming are fluid, heavy gamers might notice slower load times due to the older storage standard. Camera capabilities. Zeiss co-engineered. The Vivo V60 is co-engineered with Zeiss, featuring a triple rear camera system, a 50MP main sensor with OIS, a 50MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, and an 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens. The 50MP Zeiss front camera delivers high-quality selfies with autofocus. It supports 4K video recording, making it a great choice for creators. Connectivity and operating system. Equipped with 5G plus 5G dual SIM dual standby and Bluetooth 5.4, the Vivo V60 is ready for the future. It runs on Footage OS 15 based on Android 15 and promises 4 years of OS updates and 6 years of security patches. It also integrates AI features like AI captions and Google Gemini support for smarter connectivity. Battery life and charging. The phone packs a massive 6500 mAh Blue Volt Li-ion battery, delivering over a full day of heavy usage. With 90W flash charging, it powers up rapidly, keeping you connected with minimal downtime. Customer insights. Customers rate the Vivo V60 4.2 out of 5 stars. They praise its camera quality, smooth performance, long battery life, and sleek design. However, some mention average sound quality and question its value due to the older storage technology. Pricing and availability. The Vivo V60 5G in mist grey is priced at 38,999 rupees, a discount from 43,999 rupees. It's available with bank offers and no-cost EMI options, making it an attractive deal for those seeking a premium yet affordable 5G smartphone.